Okay, folks, that is SpaceX Falcon going up on its launch. Oh my God, look at that! It's going through a cloud right now. Live from the Bahamas on Hood's Hill, from the SpaceX Observatory. Oh wow, look, it's going to come out at the top of that cloud. Holy crow. There it is. Wow. Wow. Okay, it's separated. I think I just saw the one part separated just above the cloud. You can see there's a second part right there. See it?
Yeah, see it.
Okay, so that's the part that I think is going to come back down. So this is continuing to go up to deploy the satellites. The other one is going to basically come back
That is so cool. Wow.
Dan, can you do me a favor and put this down? Just so I see a middle stage, and then I see this other one, and I think the low one is the one that's going to.
Oh, it's right over our freaking heads.
Yeah. All right. So here's the Falcon thing going up to deliver the 22 satellites. Now it's almost directly over the top of Hood's Hill.
Here, there's the stages.
Where?
Okay.
There it is.
So there's the booster getting ready to come back down. Holy crow. And what did they say? This is its 16th mission that it's been used?
Yeah, it's done this 16 times.
Uh-oh. Maybe it's
Maybe that engine shuts off.
right.
And then the other smaller guidance engine.
Exactly.
You can see this one here.
That one's
Way
still
over there.
one's still going.
Yep.
And I don't know what's happened to that one.
All right,
Did it blow up? Hmm.
I think so. Way down there.
There it is.
There it is.
There it is. I can see it. It's coming down. Holy crow.
Incredible.
Look.
Oh,
Oh my God, I think they did it.
oh,
Because it's still glowing. It's not like it got extinguished.
Yeah, I see a glow, slight glow there.
Wow.
Yeah, that is incredible.
And the other
Look,
one,
can
and the
you
other
still
one's,
see it?
no, it's gone off to do its thing.
I got a couple of shots of it.